If you're annoyed that you like the Proxy Interstellar but you don't have enough links, I'm going to show you 50 plus links in today's video, and it's all on this Google Doc right here, which will be in the link of description down below. When you press on the link, you can see this website right here, and it will say, are you sure you want to leave YouTube? And all you want to press is you're going to want to press go to site. When you press go to site, you'll be redirected to the Interstellar website, and when you are on the website, you can see apps, you can see games, and you can see tabs. First, you just go to apps and see if the thing you're looking for on the app section. You can add a search up, or you can scroll for everything. There's TikTok is there, there's Discord is there, so if that's what you want to do, you can go to apps. If the button is not there, what you're going to do is tag, and then you can tag the URL of the website you want to use. And yeah, if you can do that, you can add tags, or you can go through, and when you go through, this goes through the logo, and you can search on the Interstellar part right here, search with Google, enter address, and yeah, thank you.